One of the major challenges so many people have is trying to figure out a good profitable niche to blog about. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a profitable blog niche that you can go into and blog and make money for yourself. Because I discovered recently that this is one of the major things so many people are struggling with. So if you're one of those guys struggling to get a profitable niche, or you're asking yourself what are the niche that are still profitable in this era of AI that you are going to blog and make good money out of it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a good profitable niche to blog, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you 10 profitable niche that you can go into and make a lot of money for yourself. And I'm going to tell you why you should go into those niche, because those niche you are going to know why you should go into those niche. So in this video, guys, I'll be showing you, I'll walk you through step by step how you can find a good and profitable niche blog to go into. So guys, welcome back to this video. My name is nichesthatmakemoney, and in my YouTube channel here I make videos around affiliate marketing, blogging, online hustle, and everything that has to do with you making money online. So if you are a newcomer visiting this channel, please consider to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can grow this community together and raise men and women that are going to get a financial freedom. So let's dive into the video of what we have today. So looking at our slide, so you know that I know you want to find a profitable blogging niche that will actually make you money for yourself. I know that is what you are exactly what you are looking for, because that is why you jump into this video right now. Because if you are not looking for profitable niche that you can blog about, you will not bother yourself watching this video. So I know basically you are actually looking for a niche that you can blog and make money for yourself, because the dream of earning from your blog is always tempting. That is the basic truth. The dream of always earning from your blog, earning from your effort, is always tempting. But here is the sad part of it. It has a sad part of it, because everybody wants to go into blogging, and everybody wants to go into blogging. The first thought that comes to their mind: how will I make money for my blog? What are the strategies that I need to make money for my blog? Will Google AdSense pay me? Will Google monetize my blog? So the thought is always tempting. But here is the sad part of it. 85% of most blogs die slowly. Do you know why? They die painful death because people pick the wrong niche from day one, and that is just the basic truth. People pick wrong niche. If you pick a wrong niche, you are going to die out of the way. You see, if you want to go into blogging, don't do what you have passion for, because basically as you are getting started into it, your passion is not going to provide money for you. Are you getting me? So you are going into the market and look for what people are looking for, what people want to buy from you. The problem of people, how will you come in to solve it with your content? That is what people want, not you coming as with your passion. People don't need your passion. You can go into your passion later after the money has come in, but now that the money has not come, just leave your passion. So we have seen that 85% of most blogs, they die slowly, they die painfully, because people they pick wrong niche. They go into wrong niche, something that they just I have passion for it. But is that passion, that niche that you have passion for, is it bringing money for you? Is it going to make you money in the next 3 months? Is it going to make you money in the next 6 months? Is it going to make you money in the next 1 year? Is it going to make you money in no distance time? So that is why we see that a lot of people go into blogging. 85% of people go into blogging, and along the line, they die because they pick the wrong niche. Are you getting me? They die because they pick the wrong niche. So, and that has been a major issue of so many people. Are you getting me? But you know what? Your passion is not going to bring money for you. Your passion is not going to bring money for you. Are you getting me? So your passion is not going to bring money for you. You need to do something to go into a niche that is profitable. That is profitable to make you money in no distance time. So that is why you need to put your passion aside when it comes to choosing a profitable niche. Are you getting me? Meanwhile, I am not discouraging you not to go into what you have passion for. It is good to go into what you have passion for, because your passion is going to drive you to put more effort, even when result is not forthcoming. But at this level, it is very, very important you go into a niche that are solving people's problem. That is what people want to read. People want to read content that solve their problem. They want to find solution to their problem, and that is why you need to come in to solve people's problem using your content. And that is why most people who got into blogging with the full strength has done what? They are back out. You have back out because the passion, what they have passion for is not bringing money for them. What they have interest for is not bringing money for them. Because your passion, if you have passion into a wrong niche, you are going to exhaust all your energy, because it's just like you are doing a wrong thing. You are completely doing a wrong thing. That is why you need to also pursue your passion, but first of all, focus on what you need to solve people's problem, what is going to bring in money for you in no distant time. What is going to bring money for you in no distant time, because there is passion and what they expect is not forthcoming. They have passion for what they are doing, but basically what they are expecting is not forthcoming because they are into a wrong niche. They are into a wrong niche. So you have seen that it is very, very important to choose a profitable niche. Now, let me tell you this. When I first created my first blog back in 2020, you see, the basic thing is that I burned through 2 full years. I've wasted effort. I've tried all I could. I tried every strategies. I've monetized with surveying. I've put in effort that every single day I must publish a blog post on my blog. But all those efforts did not yield after so many years. After about 2 years, they did not yield effort until I was able to figure things out. I was able to figure the strategy to monetize my content. Are you getting me? It is very, very important, not just passion. I have passion for what I'm doing, but what I'm doing, it was not bringing income for me. So what will I do? I need to change a niche so that when money comes in, when you start earning from your content, from your blog, then you can now go ahead and pursue your passion. It was amazing that anybody can earn money online if basically you will figure out the perfect niche for yourself. If you figure out the perfect niche for yourself, anybody can make money from the effort, from the content. You can make a lot of money for yourself if you figure out what is working, how to solve people's problem. That is what people want. People have a lot of problems. That is why they come to Google. That is why they come to read your content. That is why they are seeking for information in that particular niche, because they have problems they want to solve. So yours is to come in to solve that problem and collect money for yourself. Is to solve that problem and collect money for yourself. But I am here to help you figure things out. I am here to help you figure things out, and I'm going to do this thing real quick, and I'm doing it for free. You are not paying a dime for me. So I'm going to help you. So in this video, I will show you a profitable blogging niche that you can go into. I mean profitable blog niche that you can basically go into and start to make money for yourself in no distant time. So that you can follow your passion after money has started coming from what you are doing. So now, why is it that it is not advisable for you not to blog into a broke audience? Why is it that it is very, very important that when you want to go into any niche that you need to avoid broke audience? You need to avoid broke audience, people who will not buy from you, because you are creating content, you want to make money. You are not just writing a blog post, creating content, and at the end of the day, you don't want to make money from it. You are doing all of those things because you want to make money from what you are doing. You want to earn from your effort. You want to earn from your content. You want to monetize them. Are you getting me? So, and before you can do all of this, you need to avoid broke audience. Are you getting me? You need to avoid broke audience. People will not buy from you. You need to avoid it. You need to stay away from any such niche. And now, you want to ask, who are these broke audience? Now, listen to me very well. When I first started my first real online business, my targeted audience was students. When I was getting into the online, my first targeted audience was students, because I just think that as students, we have more population of students. You see, we have a lot of students. Are you getting me? So I just thought, this is a good niche for me. I need to target students. I need to target them because I taught them that they are the people who have money to spend. That was my orientation, that students have money to spend. So I targeted them. And you know what? That basically students don't have money to spend. Students, they don't have money to spend. Are you getting me? Students don't have 100k to purchase a course. They don't have 100k to purchase. They don't even have 50k. Some of them don't even have 20k to purchase that course that you are selling on your blog. So the thing is that students are broke. And it is not advisable for you to target students, because if you target students, you are going to be broke. You are not going to make anything out of your effort, anything out of your content. Students are broke, and you need to avoid such niche, unless you want to blog because you have passion for that niche. Are you getting me? You just want to go into that niche because you have passion for it. So you need to avoid niche that people who are into that niche, the audience in that niche are broke. Because if you want to hit your monthly target in blogging, you need to avoid people who are broke and focus on people who have money to spend. And it will surprise you that I hardly hit my monthly figure because I was focusing on a broke audience. I hardly hit my monthly figure because I was just focusing, putting my effort, creating content, targeting wrong audience. People who are broke. So it will be very difficult for you as a person, as a blogger, to hit your goal, to hit your target, to hit your figure. And this is also applying to you. If you are going into any niche, make sure you find out a profitable niche. And that is what I want to show you in this video, so that you avoid this broke audience. Now, I want to show you 10 profitable niche blog you should go into and why you should go into those niche. Now, here are the most profitable niche you should consider or look into. Number 1, make money online. Make money online niche is an evergreen niche. That niche will never die. Provided the internet is existing, Google is existing, make money niche will never die. Just believe me for it. It's an evergreen niche, so that niche will never die. It will never die, and you can niche down. You can, for make money, you go to affiliate marketing, you go to other also niche under make money online. So that niche is not going to die. That is number 1 niche you should consider going to, because it's a profitable niche. The another one is business niche. You can go into business, target people who are business people in UK, in European country, and every other part of the world. People want to do business. You can target business owners, and you can also target niche marketing. These are profitable niche: marketing, sales, online hustle, and technology. These are profitable niches you can go into. Also, another one is education niche. Education niche is also another profitable niche that you can basically go into and make a lot of money for yourself if you can go into this niche. Education niche. Education niche is another cool, profitable niche you can go into. Then the last one is health and fitness. Health and fitness, you can just niche down. You can just go into weight loss for women, weight loss for big daddies. You can just niche down. These are profitable niche, basically, that you can go into and make a lot of money for yourself. And this is the time you have been waiting for, because I told you I'm going to tell you why you should go into any of these 8 niches I just mentioned for you. I listed about 8 niches for you to go to that are very profitable. And like I told you at the beginning of this video, that I'm going to tell you why you should go into any of these niche. Now, we have come to the bottom of it, where it gets sweeter. Now, why should you go into any of this niche? Why you should go into any of this niche is that you can monetize this niche with any method. You can monetize them with affiliate links. You can monetize them with Google AdSense. You can monetize them with a sponsored content. You can monetize them with advertisement. You can monetize this content with everything. Unlike pet niche, where you can only monetize it with Google AdSense. But if Google did not approve you, how will you do? Your passion, your effort with that. But any of this niche that you pick that I just listed for you, there are affiliate program for it. Any of these 8 niches I just listed for you that are profitable, that you should blog, there are affiliate program, there are affiliate link that you can use to monetize your blog. That is why you should go into this niche. So guys, we have come to the end of this video, and if you enjoy this video, what you have watched so far in this video, don't forget to like this video so that YouTube will get to push it off for other people to see. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider to subscribe to this channel so that we can grow this community together and build our finance, get the financial freedom for ourselves. And if you enjoy what you have watched so far, I have a training for you which you are seeing on the screen right here. The Blog Money Blueprint is a blogging course from A to Z that I've created. Is about 36 lessons that you are going to watch from this training. So if you're interested in picking this blogging training, I'll walk you through step by step how to blog and go into profitable niche that I did not list here. Just click the link at the description of this video to pick the training. And if you enjoy this video, once again, don't forget to like this video. So guys, I will see you again in our next video, and keep winning.